Hey guys, good morning. This is Akash Bora, my first official moto vlog where we are riding from Hyderabad to Hampi. Today is December 11th, 2025. December 12th actually, sorry. And the time is 6:16 in the morning. And if anything goes wrong, we blame the Google Maps and not me. First, we will mostly be going to fuel up, and I don't know how to start, bro. What the fuck? Yes, so I'm also thinking if I should make this vlog in Hindi or English, basically to check. I'm still confused, but yes, we'll see how it goes and then we'll decide on the way. I hope my mic is still there. Yes, it is there. So it's so that's this cool friend. His name is Manish. We are traveling. We are riding together to all the way to Hampi. It's fucking cold in Hyderabad right now. It's around what? When I woke up in the morning, it was around 12 degrees, which is cold for Hyderabad. I need to wear my gloves, dude. It's freezing. I was thinking that I'll fuel up first, but then that place is around 6-7 kilometers. I think I should rather wear my gloves once. Dude, there are people, army people running here. We have to be careful. I have prepared the whole thing. I've GPT'd my script from Hyderabad to Hampi. I'm not even sure if my voice is coming right now because I did not check. I've used the mic with my DJI Action 4, but then I have not used it while riding, so I don't know. The voice is coming, I'm pretty sure, but then not sure how well it's coming. That's the concern. If I'll check it once, then I'll be a little more careful. ये तो I have to remove from the vlog, but then yes. I think I started riding more professionally when I got this bike last year, but before that I used to ride bikes when I was in college, and then we used to go for trips and everything. We have done bike trips and even car trips, but then for bike I think we went from Udupi in Manipal. I studied in Manipal. From there to Gokarna on 2 bikes, 4 people. And then the problem was I was wearing fucking shorts. Not even shorts, 3/4 jeans. I was wearing that to my trip. Okay, I just want to see how it comes, the voice, so that but I don't know, maybe I should do another intro so that. And right now we are leaving from Hyderabad, and I left around 6 in the morning because I thought I'd leave around 5:30, but I woke up around 5 and then I had to get ready, and it was my first time packing my bag and trying to make the whole moto vlog setup and then get into it. So yes, if I show you the whole vlog how my journey goes. I think there's already plenty of videos on YouTube from Hyderabad to Hampi bike rides, but then I'll see what I can do different in my videos and then how it will work out. This is just the start, so not sure, and I'm not even sure if I should vlog in English, Hindi, or make it English. Okay, it is recording now. Lot of bumps in army areas. I stay in Secunderabad, where majority of the, not majority, I'm not sure, but the place I stay around has a lot of colonies or a lot of areas, army area basically. That's what I'm trying to say. We both have Speed 400. I'm doing this on my Speed 400, which I bought last year, and I will use it very properly. इसका बैग थोड़ा टेढ़ा हुआ है. So, hey guys, let me tell you what happened. We were riding, and then my friend, his this part of his bike, brake oil, he added an extra protector on top of it, which did not work. I mean, it was loosed. It was not tightened properly by the Triumph service center. Okay, and due to that, what happened? The oil started coming out of it, and then we had to stop. Then we did not carry any screwdrivers or Allen key or anything. The tools, basically, we did not carry the tools here. And then, since we did not do that, we had to stop at a mechanic shop. Okay, we did that. We fixed it, and then we started riding again. And we started riding again, but then later what happened, he was my friend. He was telling me from behind that my number plate, it looks a little, it tilted. It looks a little tilted. So basically what happened, my number plate was tilted. We stopped. I looked at my number plate, and then it was half broken, my number plate. Then I was like, fuck. We just started the ride, and this happened. So we decided that we'll look for a Triumph service center near this place, and then if possible, if they have the parts, I'll get it fixed there, right then and there. But we could not find a Triumph service center. And then what happened, we basically had to do what? Yes, I had bungee cords. I had to tie the number plate with my bungee cord. So right now I'm riding from Hyderabad to Hampi without a number plate being shown on the back of my motorcycle on my Speed 400. We covered a good amount of distance. The road is nice. The road is nice enough to maintain a speed of 120 kilometers, but we were riding somewhere around 90-ish, because we do not want to speed as well. And then yes, that basically happened, because of which we are late to our destination. We were supposed to reach by 1 or 2 max. That was max, but then now it's showing we'll reach around 4:30 because of the delay that we had. we had these delay, and then we had to stop for food and everything. So basically now we are a little late. Now we are late, but then it's okay. We don't have an itinerary as such to go there and do. We're just going to relax most of our time. But the only thing is, I wished whatever I said previously got covered in the video, which it did not, by the way, because as I mentioned, my camera got turned off, and when I switched it on again, I thought it will get connected automatically, since even my mic as well as the my action camera is from DJI, but that did not happen as well. So yeah, now we have another 170 kilometers to go. Now I'm using my phone, which I did not want to use because of the vibrations. It will affect the camera and whole phone overall. But then I didn't have any choice, because the other phone that I was carrying does not have battery, and this wire doesn't I mean, I can't put the wire in that phone because of few technical issues, which I'm very lazy to explain now because I've been riding for a while. And yes guys, you can tell me अगर मेरे को ये vlog हिंदी में करना चाहिए, English, or I should do it in English, or maybe English. ठीक है, whatever will work better to resonate with the audience basically. And I think I'll take more time, I'll make more videos in English as well as in Hindi to basically able to figure out which one will work better. And I think there are a few other things which it's there in the video, but then it's not there. I mean, the voice is not there. Now the hard part is I do not want to give a voiceover, because it doesn't sound realistic, है ना? It sounds like हाँ voice over कर रहा है. मतलब it gets a little difficult for audience, is what I feel, to basically relate to one if they are giving voiceover. And because I am into marketing as in my profession, so I have a lot of bikers around. We met around 15 to 20 bikers, great group. Randomly we just joined there because we were all riding to the same place. We joined the group, and then yeah, it was fun for a while, but then we had to stop, and then we did our things, and they went ahead. So yeah, this happened basically. This is the story. Telangana, let's go. We are now in Karnataka. So yes, welcome to Karnataka. And I think these lessons that I've got today will help me a lot for my next ride, which is going to be a long one. It's around 750 to 780 kilometers, and I'm doing it, I'm making it a non-stop ride, apart from my fuel breaks and small stops where I'll just drink some water and everything. I will do that in one stretch, and I somehow have a little bit of idea of what to do and what not to do, है ना? Rides or exploring the whole of south, and then hopefully, and manifesting it right now, doing trips to north, east, west, covering whole of India. That's the plan, and that's the manifestation basically. Hope it happens. It's pretty bright. Hope you guys are having a nice day, and happy weekend to me. I've already started the weekend. We have reached Hampi. Setting right now. I think थोड़ी चीज़ें which I learned during this ride. There are actually multiple things which नवंबर से पोस्टपोन करा दिसंबर में फाइनल इट्स हैपनिंग. नेक्स्ट मंथ आई एम प्लानिंग फॉर वन मोर ट्रिप इन साउथ itself, which is going to be a very long one, around 750-800 kilometers distance. इसी में मेरी इतनी हालत ख़राब हो गई, नॉट बहुत ज़्यादा बट स्टिल इट वाज एग्जॉस्टिंग. And I'm not perfect in the sense I need to learn to cover more distance. ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर करना सीखना है मेरे को, क्योंकि 750 किलोमीटर आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ नॉन स्टॉप राइड, है ना, ऑफ 750 to 780 किलोमीटर्स इन टोटल नहीं, वन वे दैट इज़. तो आई हैव टू लीव अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. इफ फॉर दिस हैदराबाद टू हम्पी आई लेफ्ट अराउंड व्हाट 6 in the morning. लेकिन बीच में थोड़ी दिक्कत भी आ गई थी इन टर्म्स ऑफ आर बाइक में थोड़ी दिक्कत आ गई, तो उसकी वजह से भी वी स्लोड डाउन काफ़ी, तो जिसकी वजह से थोड़ा डिले हो गया. Hey guys, sorry I could not show you the last part of the video. I could not end the vlog basically because my SD card was full. So I thought I was recording, but then nothing was getting recorded. The end part, the end movement actually, which is the best part, because I like the view when we entered Hampi towards our stay. I really like the view. I'll try to show it to you right now. Yes, so we are staying at a homestay. We have booked a homestay.